but you don't often hear him say. He inspires me to make the world better. He's Paul the Peacemaker King. Well, he loves his books and his knowledge, his wife and family. It's from him I've taken to learning, so that in my mind I am free. Few people can demonstrate such a keen understanding of our society, and yet I can honestly say I've never seen him do anyone wrong. And so I say, well, he is a lover of music, which is why I want to sing. He inspires me to make the world better. He's Paul the Peacemaker King.